Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kan pynurlong ya ka jingai jingmut jong UMP Balaklat no ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency u Dr. Ricky Syngkon da ka seng ya ka National Institute of Social Defense Center NISDC ha ka jila ong umintri rang ba ka jila u Conrad ke sangma ha ka arpulai rik rempang habawan ra ya ka mangtingka hapo ka yeng dorbar Ula ong ru baka Sorkar ka bu thong ba manlai ki district ka jila ki debandan ka way ka Rehabilitation Center. Hapo ka program CM Care ka Sorkar ka lala ban ay ka bay bam nakabantay ki riu temen ki long kmi ki bala klat kurim bat ki briu ki badan jinduna hagi dekat men bat haduk kumba shilak arpulai hajar ngut ki nong shong shnong ki la yo jingmentoy haduk menta bat ka Sorkar ka lamang haduk shispa arklur tingka nakabentau senam mang tingka benwan. Ka Sorkar kalapan krek ru ban sengi ki Active Aging Center house nam mang tingka benwan ha ka jinglut ka ban kot hadu arpo klur tingka. Ka way pa ka way ka center kan ay ka jingkar shan nakabenta ka bit ka biang ha ka liang ka kot ka kya bat ki way pat ki jingmantoy nakabenta ki balakam no arta ki jinghikai bat ki kamshna jingshna nakabenta ki kina arid bat ki program bayat rilang kum ka jingat hu kana ka put ka tem ki kam than bat snakti ki pateng jong ka than bat ki kam shakri ya ka imlang salang.
So the government is ensuring that no one is left behind in our growth journey. Among the early commitments MDA government fulfilled 8 years ago was streamlining pension payments for senior citizens, single mothers, and differently abled people. The CM Care program now benefits 1,23,000 citizens. I am allocating an amount of 102 crores for continuation of this program in 2026-27. Under the DREAM mission, under the DREAM initiative, we are addressing rising substance use challenges through strong enforcement, community participation, and expanding rehabilitation centers. I'm targeting that every district in the state should have one rehabilitation center. We will also endeavor to establish a National Institute of Social Defense Center in Meghalaya, which will strengthen the state's efforts. The establishment of this center was one of the suggestions our beloved Member of Parliament, late Dr. Ricky Syngkon, had given. I am pleased to announce that we will be establishing active aging centers in the next financial year. These centers will serve as intergenerational spaces where seniors and children come together for shared learning and care. Each center will offer wellness and recreation for older adults, early learning and creative activities for children, and joint programs such as storytelling, music, craft, local heritage, and community service. I am allocating an amount of 20 crores for this initiative.